Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is levels of biological organization from class 9th book. Millions of organisms are present on the planet Earth. They are different from each other. They are variable from each other and show differences, and they may range from simplest organism like bacteria to a very high complex organisms like the human beings. The bodies of all living things are made up of different parts organized in a certain manner that supports life functions. This organization includes atoms, molecules, compound, organelle, cells, tissues, organs, organ system and organism. These are the biological organization. These are the levels of biological organization. So, the level 1 is subatomic particles and atoms. First of all, what is atom? Atom is the simplest particle of matter. Atom is the simplest particle of matter. You know that living and non-living matter is composed of simple units called atoms. Now, what are subatomic particles? Atom consists of 3 subatomic particles. Electron, proton and neutron. Electron carries negative charge, proton having positive charge, neutron having no charge. It is neutral particle. So, atom consists of these 3 subatomic particles. Now, what are bioelements? The bodies of organisms are made up of 16 kinds of elements. These elements are called bioelements. Living organisms की body 16 kinds पर मुश्तमिल होती है. हमारी जो body है, living organisms like plants, like animals, like microorganisms, they are made up of 16 kinds of elements. These elements are called bioelements. वो elements जो कि हमारी body को build up करते हैं, उन elements को हम bioelements कहते हैं. इन 16 बायोएलिमेंट्स में 6 एलिमेंट्स जो कि हैं ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फोरस. दे मेक 99% ऑफ द प्रोटोप्लाज्म. ये हमारी बॉडी का 99% हिस्सा बनाते हैं. व्हाट इज प्रोटोप्लाज्म? न्यूक्लियस प्लस साइटोप्लाज्म इज कॉल्ड प्रोटोप्लाज्म. न्यूक्लियस plus cytoplasm is called protoplasm. Now, the remaining 10 elements which are potassium, sulfur, chlorine, sodium, magnesium, iron, copper, zinc, manganese and iodine make 1% of the protoplasm. They make 1% of the protoplasm. Now, level 2, molecules and compounds. What are molecules? Atoms combine through bonds and form molecules and compounds. Atoms combine through bonds and form molecules and compounds. What are biomolecules? When the atoms of bioelements combine to form biomolecules, जब atom bioelements के atoms आपस में मिलते हैं, like oxygen plus oxygen, these are the 2 atoms of biomolecules. जब ये 2 atoms मिलेंगे, now they make a biomolecules. ठीक है? तो biomolecules क्या चीज़ है? When the atoms of biomolecules combine to form, they form biomolecules. And there are 2 types of biomolecules. The first one is micromolecule, micro small. which have low molecular weight. Micromolecules are those biomolecules which have low molecular weight. For example, water, amino acids, glucose. These are the examples of the micromolecules. The second type is macro. Macro means large. Macromolecules, जब वो लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे तो जाहिर बात है उनका मोलिक्यूलर वेट भी ज़्यादा होगा. तो इसको हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स आर दोज बायोमोलिक्यूल्स विच हैव हायर मोलिक्यूलर वेट. एग्जाम्पल इज स्टार्च, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, lipids, etc. The third level is organelles. What are the organelles? Different biomolecules combine in a specific manner and form subcellular structures called organelles. जब यही बायोमोलिक्यूल्स जो कि मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स हैं, माइक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स हैं, या फिर इसमें एक स्पेसिफिक मैनर से मिलते हैं, द नाउ दे फॉर्म ऑर्गेनेलीज. ऑर्गेनेलीज को हम सब सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर कहते हैं क्योंकि ऑर्गेनेलीज कहाँ पे होती हैं? इनसाइड द सेल. ऑर्गेनेलीज आर फाउंड इनसाइड द सेल. For example, mitochondria, ribosome, chloroplast, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum and so on. These are the examples of organelles. Organelles perform a specific function inside the cell. Like the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Ribosome helps in protein synthesis. Each organelle perform a specific role inside the cell. Similarly, what is chloroplast? Chloroplast helps in photosynthesis. Now, level 4. The level 4 is cell. How we can define cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of an organism. It is the basic building block of the living organisms. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. On the basis of number of cells, there are two types of organisms: unicellular organisms, in which their body consists of only one cell, like amoeba, like euglena, like chlamydomonas are the example of unicellular organisms. The second type is multicellular organism. Multi means many, in which their bodies consist of many cells, like human beings is the example of multicellular organism. Now, level 5, tissues. A group of cells, a group of similar cells which are similar in structure and function. Such group of cells is called a tissue. Example is mesophyll tissues. Mesophyll tissues स्ट्रक्चर के लिहाज से भी सेम है, उनका फंक्शन भी सेम होता है. इन सेल्स का फंक्शन क्या होता है? फोटोसिंथेसिस. सो mesophyll tissues perform helps in photosynthesis. Glandular tissues, they are similar in structure and function. इनका फंक्शन क्या है? Secretion, to produce secretion. Now, level 6, organs. A group of related tissues. A group of related tissues. When a group of related tissues combine together and perform a specific function, such a group of related tissues is called organ. For example, stomach. Stomach is made up of two major tissues. कौन-कौन सी टिश्यू से स्टमक बना है? Epithelial tissue, epithelial tissue and muscular tissue. Epithelial tissue and muscular tissue. Epithelial tissue glandular tissues होते हैं which secretes gastric juice. Epithelial tissues जो हैं glandular tissues होते हैं and इनका काम क्या होता है? They produce gastric juice for the digestion of proteins. Muscular tissues का काम क्या है? Stomach contraction and relaxation की मदद से ये muscular tissues foods को grind कर देते हैं, small pieces में change कर देते हैं और इस तरह digestion में help करते हैं. Now, level 7 is organ system. The organs coordinate and constitute an organ system which perform a particular function. The organs coordinate and constitute an organ system. A group of organs, ठीक है? Group of organs which perform a specific task, a specific function. Such a group of organs is called organ system. For example, blood circulatory system. Blood circulatory system मुख्तलिफ organs पर मुश्तमिल है, मुख्तलिफ parts पर मुश्तमिल है, like heart, like arteries, like veins, like capillaries, और इस तरह इनकी combination से जो system बनता है उसको हम कहते हैं blood circulatory system. Now, level 8, organism. This is the last level of biological organization. When the different organ system, जब मुख्तलिफ किस्म के organ system combine होते हैं, then collectively form a whole organism. For example, in plants, when root system combine with shoot system, they form a plant body. Similarly, in case of man, different organ systems like digestive system, like respiratory system, like excretory system, like reproductive system, when these all organ system combine together, they form a whole organism in shape of man. So this is all about the levels of biological organization.